Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful day in the Ozarks. It is Sunday, November 3rd. We're a little bit later in the morning today. It's 7:43. Welcome to my channel, Relearning to Draw After 55. And Bella decided she wanted to be in the video today. So we are going to be drawing a robin in the Woodland Animals series by Susie Hodge. And there we go. There's a link to that book in my description here on the video. It's been going fairly well, and then not all have come out the way I wanted them to, but you know, the shading really does bring it to life. And I hope you enjoy the Mozart this morning, and the day before yesterday too, I think. So we've got coffee today again, and we've got a little rain shower outside going on. So I don't mind the rain. There are quite a few aspects to birds. Get the feathers right, get the eyes, the beak, get your initial shape. I still need to work on feathers. And then when we get into another animal or two, we'll get Bella. Right, Bella, we'll draw you one of these days. But I've got a lot of practice to get it under my belt before I try and mangle your picture. Yeah, and the feet. I've got to work on feet on all of my animals. But the drawings I'm coming out with, they're off of drawings themselves, not pictures. So I'm going to be doing pictures with dogs once I get into them. So it came out fairly well. I wasn't too extremely happy with the mouth, but hey, I'm trying. This is a good exercise. This one took about 30 minutes, if I remember right, to get done. And yeah, it was fun to do. Again, when I'm drawing, I don't think of anything else. It's just strictly draw, and there's nothing going on in my mind. I'm just literally engrossed in it, and it's a nice feeling to not have anything else crossing over and interrupting me. So I encourage you to start a hobby. Get something started, find time in your schedule. So here's the finished product, and there's the robin. And Bella, we'll say goodbye.